Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you the TapSwap listing date announcement updates. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first, I will provide the TapSwap affiliate link in the description below. So make sure that you check it out to get connected with the TapSwap application. So first thing first, let's get into the video. So once we're on the Telegram, just go and hit on the bottom left icon which says play, and you will be redirected to the TapSwap application. So let's get back to the announcement date. So TapSwap founder Naz Ventura recently announced on the Twitter that the TapSwap airdrop and listing will happen before the October 30th. So it's just around the corner. Earlier users of the platform can look forward to receiving free tokens, making the upcoming TapSwap listing date an important event community. So the listing is yet to be announced, but the date is expected to be before 30th of the October 2024. That's how it is. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.